I'm Brittany Lewis with Forbes Breaking News. During her weekly press briefing on Friday, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi chided Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell. She said it was, quote, hypocrisy that McConnell struck down former President Obama's nomination of Merrick Garland in 2018 on the basis that it was too close to the election. But he pushed President Trump's Supreme Court nominee Amy Coney Barrett to be confirmed before Election Day 2020. Her remarks come after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade on Friday. Listen in for the House Speaker's full response.
Chad and then Jake again.
You talked about the exercise by Leader McConnell on the Merrick Garland nomination and then what happened with the three President Trump decisions here. We have a member of your caucus who's saying we don't care what the far-right extremist court does. I mean, even though you don't like the process to get these justices onto the court, which resulted in this decision, do you respect the process and what they've come out with, even though you vehemently disagree?
I'm about truth and honesty. Mitch McConnell said when Justice Scalia passed away in the early month, what is it, February, the beginning of February, the end of January, that we didn't have enough time in an election year to confirm a justice. And so Merrick Garland was not even given a hearing with 11 months to go. And yet, when Ruth Bader Ginsburg died, before the word was out that she had died, he had already said, we're setting up hearings, when it was only weeks until the election. The inconsistency, the hypocrisy, I don't respect that process, A. B, that some of these justices who came before the Senate said they respected precedent and privacy. They must have a different view of precedent from what their vote was today on Roe v. Wade. No, I don't respect a process that criminalizes a woman's right to her reproductive freedom. Jake?
Do you have any plans for action in the House? I know you've already taken action.
Yes.
Is there something that you do further?
We have passed that legislation really in order to make it the law of the land. It is clear that we just have to win a majority in November. And everything is at stake. If you're a woman, if you care about women, if you respect women, you know that this is a disgraceful judgment that they made. So, needless to say, and I quote Lincoln all the time, public sentiment is everything. With it, you can accomplish almost anything. Without it, practically nothing. But in order for public sentiment to prevail, people have to know. And people do know.